Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a full day of eating keto with macros included. First thing we are going to do is have some coffee. I absolutely love this Perfect Keto MCT powder. That's my first thing every morning. I do have a coupon code if you guys want to get your hands on some. I'm going to go ahead and add me a little half and half and sip on that. Then we're going to dive into breakfast. This is about 8:30 in the morning, so a few hours later. If you guys are new here, radishes are an awesome substitute for potatoes, and I use them all the time. So I had like a taste for like a breakfast skillet, so I went ahead and cut up, I believe this was 2 cups of radishes. I do count for radishes. A lot of my vegetables I do not count on keto, but radishes I do count for. So I go ahead and I start to brown up some and some extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic and slap yo mama. I will try to find the links for a lot of these seasonings down below, and then, you guys can get you some. If you guys watched my latest grocery haul, I picked these up from Costco. I'm going to go ahead and have 4 of them. I will have my macros at the end and kind of show you what my day ended up looking like, but you can see my phone's right there. I'm kind of putting everything in as I'm going. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up 4 of these frozen sausages, and I'm going to fry them in the pan. So if you guys are on any type of weight loss journey, I really suggest you getting a scale. A scale is going to make your life so much easier because honestly, your eye is the worst way to go by judging the amount of food, especially for me, because I always tend to think a lot more is a lot less. So I'm going to go ahead and take this brick of cheese. I'm going to cut it up and take about 2 ounces. And yeah, I'm going to top them on. And just think of like a breakfast skillet from like your local restaurant. So that's what's for breakfast.
So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me.
Okay, so breakfast is done, and this is what it looks like. Guys, this was so freaking good. Like, the best. But yeah, who does not love a good egg? Look at that. Yes, honey. It was bomb. Like, if you're going to try any of this stuff, this is definitely going to have to be one of them. But it was so freaking good. So yeah, that's going to be breakfast.
How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time.
Okay, so this is snack time. I want to say it was around like 1 o'clock. I made this homemade dill dip. It was really easy. I just took some daisy sour cream. I think it was about 1 cup, and a bunch of dill and a half of lemon and some salt and garlic. And I just mixed them all together, and me and the kids have been having it all week. I'm going to have mine with some fresh cucumbers. I do not count for cucumbers because, I just don't. And I'm going to go ahead and weigh out the serving. So I'm going to do 60 grams, which I believe is 2 carbs. Like I said, I will show you my carb manager at the end. But yeah, so that was my snack. And guys, this dip can go on anything. Fish, you could eat it with pork rinds. Look, I'm going to do one of my favorite snacks, like my keto snacks video coming up this weekend. So be on the lookout for it because I got some good stuff for you guys.
Wishful thinking gets the worst of me. Hoping that it's just...
So like I said, this is lunch, or a snack, and I'm also going to have one of those Cascade drinks. Love them. They're like a bootleg for the ice.
You and me. Yeah.
So it's about 4 o'clock and we're going to start dinner. I'm just browning up some ground beef, and this is my go-to ride or die seasoning. I use this in replace of any type of taco seasoning. I put it on everything. It is so good, and it has 0 carbs. I will try to link it and find it for you, but it's in the Hispanic aisle if you're a local grocer. So we're going to sprinkle a couple packets. I think I use 4 for this the meat, and we're also going to make some homemade like salsa verde. So I'm going ahead and roasting everything on my comal, and yeah, so that's gonna be a little snack as well. And yeah, so we're gonna cook these up and I'll show you what's next.
Thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time.
So I threw everything in my salt or in my blender with a little bit of salt, and then I pulse it, guys. Don't blend it, just hit the pulse a couple times because you want it to be I don't like mine watery. I like it to be a little chunky. And yeah, so you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna see me. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm like a professional chef right now. I'm like so proud of myself. But anyways, I like to go ahead and roast all my ingredients because you could see like the roasted parts in there. It really did taste really good. You could add some cilantro to that if you wanted. I didn't have any, so this is just what we had, and it was good. It did its job.
When I think about it now, I know that I do not want to give you more of my life.
So I went ahead and added about a cup of radishes because I just had those left and I wanted to use them up before they started to kind of turn. And I added them to the meat, and then I cooked them all down. So I cooked it probably for like another 30 minutes on low, and they were really good. They really bulked up the meat and it made a lot more filling. And my sister came over and had it, and she was like so impressed. So yeah, that is what's for dinner. We're gonna do like taco salads. So you're gonna see me start assembling them right now. And what I did was just I take these lettuce shreds. Again, I do not count for lettuce. If you choose to, that's on you, but I did not. And then I'm going to take some shredded cheese. I use that same brick I used earlier, but I hand shredded it. And I'm only going to do 1 ounce of cheese. I'm going to put a little sour cream. I think I did 5 ounces of meat and a low carb tortilla. And I topped it with my salsa there. And it was so good. Like everybody ate real good this day. So yeah. If you guys try this or have a recipe you are like your family's go-to, let me know. But taco salads definitely are one of our favorites.
I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes, then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life.
I mean, this looks like it's straight out the magazine. It was, guys, so freaking good. And that little bit of salsa really just, and like the sour cream, it just was perfect. It was just a perfect meal, and it wasn't too heavy either. It was fire. So this is my carb manager app. You guys are going to probably wonder my macros. So I try to aim under 25 net carbs, around 140 fat and 70 of protein. That's my macros that I use for myself. And I mean, we came pretty close with everything. So for like a first day back on strict keto, I was really proud of myself, and I thought I did really good. So if you guys like these types of videos, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys.